Craig still here with ROKSTEDi, and today I wanted to go over the P226 OG. The OG line of bipods have been updated. They have our new Gen 2 internal leg locks, carbon fiber tubes, as well as an updated upper side. This is all based on customer feedback as well as our own input and feedback from using them in the field for 2 years. They either come with an ARCA attachment like this one or a Picatinny attachment. You can swap those out at any time if you decide to purchase one on our website. This one again has an ARCA attachment. The ARCA attachment has, and Picatinny attachment has, an adjustable set screw here, which allows you to adjust for the different size rails that are out there. The legs now deploy just like our HK line of bipods with this button on the side, or grab with your fingers, pinch with your fingers. You have the traditional stow. You have the 45, 90, reverse 45, and reverse stow position. The P226, again, it's the traditional height bipod that's seated to or prone to seated bipod. From the top of the attachment to the ground, when the legs are fully extended, it goes to 26-inch max height. The P226 OG, as with all of our bipods, comes with 3 different feet or foot options. You have the aluminum spike foot, which is on this with the rubber cover. So you can choose just the aluminum spike foot, or you can choose the aluminum spike foot with the rubber cover. We also sell our bipods with an actual rubber foot. The only thing with the rubber foot is it will decrease your overall height by around 2.25 inches as far as your max height goes. All the OG line of bipods now have a kip lever instead of our old tension lever. The kip lever allows you to dress up or stow the bipod more neatly than our old lever did. Tension lever and kip lever on the OG line of bipods. If you're a right-handed shooter such as myself, the kip lever is going to be on the left side if you select that. If you're a left-handed shooter, the kip lever is going to be on the right side. One of the changes we made with the OG line of bipods is now you will have 90 degrees of cant. So you have 45 to the right, 45 to the left. If you want to pan and tilt with this bipod, you're going to loosen the tension on your ball with a tension lever. Then you can press the button on the bottom with your thumb. It's easy to find. Press it forward, it'll pop out the pin forward, and now you have 90 degrees of tilt, and then you have 360 of pan, and you'll just have to take my word for it because I'm not going to spin around like a monkey right here. You can put more tension on the ball to per se lock it in a position or tension it down. This rifle is 14 pounds. I can get the ball to move with it, but there is tension on it. A lighter rifle, let's say in the 7-8 pound range, you will be able to lock up. I don't know why you'd want it locked up like that, but you can do that. But for those rifles in that 12, 13, 14, 15 pounds and up, you're not going to be able to lock the ball completely out. You're just going to have tension on it. Get it to where this bipod only cants, such as you want to be in that prone shooting position. You don't want to have to hassle with the pan and tilt functions. You simply square the rifle up to your bipod. You can either press the button on the bottom or you can press the pin that's in front. I like to press the pin in front, slid back in. Sometimes you will have to find the hole in the ball and press it just to where it slightly, maneuver your rifle just to where it slides in that hole. You have that high prone position here. Independent leg functions is regarding the forward and horizontal access of your rifle. So the splay is independent. There's two tabs, one on each inside of each leg. You simply press that tab, and then you can maneuver your leg away from the rifle. And this is as low as the rifle will go. I believe it's somewhere around 9.5 inches. You can also go in the 45 position for a downhill shot. Close them whatever side you want to close. Again, there's 3 positions on each leg, and they automatically close down. The P226 OG comes in at 15.9 ounces, which is extremely light for all the functions you're getting out of this bipod. Our bipods are designed and made in the USA. We make them, we design them. Some of the components or parts are globally sourced. All the machined aluminum parts are machined in Yuma, Arizona. And that's why all of our bipods, all of our attachments come with a 5-year repair or replace warranty. So that means you don't have to worry. You buy ROKSTEDi, you don't have to worry about your bipod, your attachment, your tripod head. We are gonna take care of you.